Friends, this is Pallavi. The reason for me to do this video is there is a latest updation made by the company in income plan. I would say additional income where each and every distributor will get income. At least minimum income, in the starting stage only actually. So what is this Kiva business plan? The updated. We get two types of income from Kiva as you all know. One is the binary income, the weekly income, the monthly income, that is a club income. So what is this binary income? This is a binary image. You know how it works actually. Here you referred two people A and B, and A referred 1 and 2, B referred 3 and 4. This is a binary image. This is a binary actually how it works. Firstly, for the first payout, 2:1 ratio or 1:2 ratio, rupees 200 per week payout. So how this 1:2 and 2:1 ratio works? 1:2 ratio, one person on the left hand side, 2% on the right hand side is 1:2 ratio. In the same way, 2% on the left hand side, 1% on the right hand side is 2:1 ratio. For the first payout from Kiva Kaipo Industries Private Limited, the ratio should be 1:2 or 2:1 ratio for the first payout. That is a weekly payout. Next follows 1:1 ratio. That is, here you, left hand side 10 people coming in, right hand side 10 people coming in. Matching income for that particular week will be rupees 2,000 rupees. In the same way, 100 people coming in on the left hand side, 100 people coming in on the right hand side, the matching income for that particular week will be 20,000 rupees. That means to say you're not alone over here. It's a teamwork again. Here it's a duplication process as I told. So for that particular week, whole your team and you start working, made a beautiful team work actually. 150 people coming in on the left hand side, 200 people on the right hand side. Matching income for 150, it will be 30,000 rupees for that particular week. So here, one great thing about Kiva Kaipo Industries Private Limited is this 50, 200 minus 150, 50 people, it will be carry forward. It will not be washed out, guys. So for the next week, this 50 will be added actually. Here, no ceiling, no washouts, unlimited income. What is this unlimited income? Minimum 200 rupees, that is per pair matching to 5 lakh. You can get a weekly payout. This is the only company, there is no washouts actually, guys. So next we'll see the monthly income or the club income. What is this monthly income? This income works on a business point, that is BP. What is this BP? Every product has a BP and MRP. So what is MRP? When you purchase the product from Kiva as a distributor, you get the product for a MRP price. Next, what is BP? Company has assigned the points for each and every product called BP. So here, 1 BP is equal to 1.05 rupees. This 1.05 rupees I'll explain in my next page. So the same binary, single one binary plan for example, you joined, okay? Company gives you 400 business points for your joining. In the same way, another person A joining in on the left hand side, B joining in on the right hand side, 400 BP for A and B will get 400 BP. This is from the company side actually. So 4,000 BP on the left hand side. How it comes? 10 people on the left hand side, 10 people on the right hand side, 400 BPs. This 400 BC, 4,000 BPs actually. Same way, 125 people coming in on the left hand side, 125 people coming in the right hand side, 50,000 BP on both the sides. This is a matching actually. In the same way, 250 people on the left hand side, 250 people on the right hand side, 1 lakh BP on the left hand side and right hand side. So here you work for one plan, that is a one single binary plan. Okay, you get a monthly income and a weekly income. Weekly income, as we saw in the binary income, the monthly income works on the BP. How it works, what it works, I'll explain you guys. So here, Kiva Industries monthly income, how much we are getting, how much rupees we will get. I told you something matching of BPs, right? 2,500 BPs on the left hand side, 2,000 BPs on the right hand side. You get amount of 425 rupees actually. This is a income. This is a monthly income. In the same way, 10,000 and 10,000 BPs on the both the sides. You get 2,300 rupees to 3,300 rupees. This is a monthly payout. Same way, if you match with your team, you are not single again. With your team members, 25,000, 7,500 to 10,000 rupees. This is a monthly payout. Okay. Next, 50,000 BPs on the both the sides. You get 15,000 rupees to 27,000 rupees. A monthly payout. 1 lakh on the both the sides, 45,000 to 52,000. This is a huge amount. Per month, your monthly payout will be 52,000. Minimum, approximate 50,000 rupees. In the same way, 2 lakh business points. 60 to 70k, guys. This is not a joke. This is serious, and this is really cautious. In this pandemic situation, we need something like this, right? Extra income. Same way, 5 lakh business point, 1,80,000 to 2 lakh. People are struggling so much to get 10,000 rupees in this pandemic situation. By matching 5 lakh business point, we get 1,80,000 to 2 lakh per month. Okay. Same way, 10 lakh. This 10 lakh business point, it will take gradually, once you build the team, once people will come in, how people work, duplication process. Again, you're not single alone over here. Same way, you get 3 lakh to 4 lakh. This is a monthly payout, okay? This excludes weekly and annual income. Teamwork business, guys. Whatever monthly you're getting over here, this income, okay? If you match the BPs, other than that, the previous weekly payout, that is an extra income, okay? Yes. Next, we will see how we will get this 1.05 rupees. I said like 1 BP is equal to 1.05 rupees. That is how we get this, how this BP get distributed to particular distributor. There are different types of income. How this 1.05 rupees is distributed. Firstly, we get the retail profit. Kiva Kaipo Industries Private Limited, for every distributor, one product you buy, you get one product free actually, 100%. For example, Panch Tulsi. If you buy it for 59 rupees, 1:1, you get 100% profit, okay? Once you become a distributor, lifetime 1:1. So, once you buy one product, another product is free for you, okay? Team performance bonus. I was telling something about 105, right? 105 rupees, 1 BP. That is 30% of your BP, team performance bonus you get. In the same way, royalty, you get 12% of BP. Leadership club income. This is where I'll explain in the coming pages actually. Leadership club, 10% of BP. Loyalty club, 5%. Star club, 4% of BP. Foreign tour club, 2%. Car club, 2%. House club, 2%. Gold leadership club, 5%. Director club, once you become a director, 18% of your BP. President club, 8% of your BP. Chairman club, 7% of your BP. Total of this actually, this percentage will come up to 105%. That is nothing but 1 BP is equal to 1.05 rupees. Okay, I made you clear actually. So, secondly, team performance bonus. I was telling something about 30% of BP, right, in my previous page. We have different levels from distributor to director, where we get this 30% of BP allocation. So, friends, this 30%, whatever BP, team performance bonus will get, this works on accumulation or addition basis. This will be accumulated, added up actually. We have different stuffs over here. Rank, business point, slab, okay. So, once you join Kiva Industries, you will be in a distributor level, okay. Once you join for 400 business points actually, your slab will be 5%, okay. Next, executive, 2,000 on left hand side, 2,000 BPs on the right hand side, you will be in a 9%. The same way, senior executive level, 10,000 BPs on both the sides, 12%. Okay. Deputy manager, 20,000 15%. Manager, 40,000 BPs on both the sides, 18%. Senior manager, 80,000 21%. General manager, 1,60,000 BP, 24%. Deputy manager, 3,20,000 27%. This is a slab. So director, 6,40,000. This is completely a business point you give from you and your team, 30% of this team performance bonus. So I'll tell you what is actually distribution over here, okay? So for example, you are in a manager level, that is 18%, okay? How we get the income, I'm going to explain you over here. 18%. For example, being a manager, you purchase 1,000 rupees worth product from Kiva Industries, okay? 18% cashback you get, guys. Rupees 180 for every slab. That means to say, if you are in a distributor level, you get 5%, okay? 1,000 rupees, you get 50 rupees. In the same way, you get 90 rupees. 120 rupees. For 1000, every purchase of 1000. If you are in a 30%, that is director level, you get 30% of 1000 rupees. That means to say, for 1000 rupees of purchase, 30%, 300 rupees cash back, and 1:1 product and monthly income, you get lot actually. Okay, this is how the Kiva Kaipo Industries plan. Okay, so here another thing, we have a gap commission. What is this gap commission? Okay, I told you, if you are a manager, 18% slab. Okay, if a distributor joins under you for 5%, so 18% minus 5%, 13%. So for 1000 rupees of purchase, you get 130 rupees. That is 13% of gap commission. Again, you get, other than your cash back, you get 13% of cash back. So hope you're clear on this team performance bonus. Okay, we have a club income. We get this on a company turnover. Okay, which is the first club, royalty club. So every 2500 matching, okay, we get 12% of royalty club. Till 10,000 BP matching actually. Okay, for example, 12% of 10,000 BP matching, you get 1200 rupees. Okay, hope you're clear actually. For example, 2500 on left hand side, 2500 on right hand side, 12% of 2500, 300 rupees minimum income you will get as a distributor. Okay, you're getting this plan, I suppose. 10,000, 1200 rupees. Next, we'll see the another club income. So we have a leadership club income. The reason for me to do this video is because of this beautiful updated plan actually. Leadership club and gold leadership club. This is an addition income given by our company. The latest plan, the updated plan, only because this superb latest updation. What is this leadership club? 12,500 BPs on both the sides. Okay, so that means to say, once you cross per month, if you give 12,500 on left hand side, 12,500 on right hand side, you get flat 10% BP actually. How much it will come? I'll explain you. Till 2 lakh, 12,500 starting till 2 lakh. If you give this BPs, you get 10% of this slab. For example, you and your team gave 45,000 on left hand side, 45,000 BP on the right hand side. 10% will come up to 4,500 rupees. Guys, this is an additional income you're getting over here. Okay, same way, hope you have understood. No, there is a note over here. The person who qualify for this leadership club will not get the royalty club. The previous, 12% of the 10,000, that royalty club income you will not get. This is a updated version. Okay, so we have a next gold leadership income. Okay, gold leadership club, 2,10,000 and above, 5% flat again. Till no limits, you can cross 10 lakh BPs, 20 lakh, 40 lakh BPs, you will get flat 5%. Okay, till 2 lakh you have this 10%. Above that there is a 5%. That means to say, example, 2,25,000, 2,25,000 BPs, both sides matched. 2,25,000 minus this 2 lakh, so 25,000 flat 5%, 1,250 rupees. You will get an extra income. This is where the reason for me to do this video actually. Okay, next we have a loyalty club. 25,000 on the left hand side, 25,000 BP on the right hand side, 5%. This depends on the company particular month turnover. Okay, you get 5%. Same way Star Club, 50,000 on left hand side, 50,000 on right hand side, 4% Star Club income. Okay, on the monthly turnover. Foreign Tour Club income. So 1 lakh on both the sides, 2% on the monthly turnover. Car Club income, 1,50,000 on the left hand side, 1,50,000 right hand side, 2% on company turnover. These are all the club incomes you get actually, the monthly income actually. So next is House Club, 2 lakh on left hand side, 2 lakh on right hand side, BPs. Okay, 2% on company turnover. Next, Director. So once you become a director, 6,40,000 BPs once you complete, you will get a designation of director level. At that time, your director level club income will start, and that is an 18%. Okay, again 18% of company turnover. So president club income, 8% of company turnover. Once you become a president and below you there will be directors, you will qualify for the president club. So next is chairman level. So this chairman level, you get a yearly income, yearly turnover. Okay, 7% of chairman club income. Once you qualify as a chairman, you will get a yearly BPs calculated, and that will be calculated and given a 7% of chairman club income. None of the company till date will provide you a yearly income, guys. Kiva Kaipo Industries Private Limited is the only company which gives you a chairman level club income. Okay, this is where we end up our latest business plan of Kiva Kaipo Industries Private Limited. So any questions, any doubts, get in touch with me. Thank you guys for this latest version video. Get in touch with me. Do subscribe my channel. Do like my this actual channel if you really like the plan. Thank you so much.